Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure. So let's move on to next question. What is app service? App Service is a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps, APIs, and mobile backend. It supports multiple languages like .NET, Java, Node.js, and Python. App Service handle infrastructure, security, and scaling automatically, allowing developers to focus on code, not server management. So, when you're talking about App Service, if you're having any programming language code like Java, Python, .NET, and anything, what happens if you're having that code, you can easily publish or you can easily push that service or you can easily push that code inside the Azure App Service. So, App Service will create a websites for you. So, what happens is that that is done by the provider itself. So, users just want to publish the code and existing things will be done by the provider. Okay, so let's move on to demo. So to create that, first we have to select app service plan. Okay, so without app service plan, you can't create any app service. So let's move on to app service plan. Okay, so when you click app service plan, you can see create option is here. So we'll click on create option. So we'll give a resource group as a cloud and we'll give app service plan. So I'm giving app cloud plan as a name. Okay, so you can see there are two types of operating system. One is Linux and one is Windows. So we'll select Linux and the region is Canada Central also. After that, you can see pricing plan. So you can see right now the pricing plan is 8 GB. So the price of this pricing plan will be $10,000, $10,203 it will be. So I don't want any payment or payment app service or anything. I just want to run it as a free trial. So for that, you can see explore pricing plan, right? So when you click explore pricing plan, you can see free F1 option is given here. Okay, just wait. You can see. So we have to enable this option and you have to click select. So when you select and when you go next, you can see that existing, we have to implement these things only as existing things will be done by the provider itself. And you can see when I'm using pricing plan free F1, you can see the payment is 0. Okay. Next, we will go to the tag option and we'll click review plus create. So after creating this plan, that means after selecting app service plan, we'll create what? App service. Okay. So right now I don't have any code to publish or anything. So right now I'm using as a default one so that a default website will be created automatically by the provider. Okay. So just wait, let it this complete, let it be complete. So right now it is completed, right? So next we'll go to home and we'll select app service. Okay. So when you select app service, you can see create option. So there are a number of options. Web app is there, static web app is there, web app plus database, WordPress on app service. So if you're having any database code or if you're having any static website or if you're having any publishing, if you're having any code to publish and everything, you can use as per your usage. So right now I'm using as a default one. So you can use web app. Okay. So after using web app, what you have to do is we have to create app service for the web app. Okay. So I'm giving a resource group name as a cloud and I'm giving a particular web app name. So I'm giving Cloud Institution Web App and random number. So you can see a website name. It is called as Cloud Institution Web App 98. Canada Central -01 Website.net. So it will be created like this way. A name will be created. So next you can go down. You can see publish. So either it can be code, either it can be container. So right now you can see runtime step. So already mentioned there are different types of programming language. .NET is there, Java, Node, PHP, Python, etc. So right now I'm using as a default one. So I'll use .NET 8. Okay. So already we have selected the operating system as Linux. So we'll select operating system as Linux. So when you select the Linux, already the region and the pricing plan will be done automatically by the provider. Okay. And you can see the pricing plan also it is already automatically done by the provider itself, right? So when you go down, you can see database, deployment, networking, monitor, plus secure tag and everything, right? So these many things will be provided by it will be maintained by the provider itself. So users don't want to worry about anything. Okay. So we'll directly click towards the review plus create and we'll create this web app. Okay. So you can see it starts to deployment. So we'll just wait for the deployment. So you can see deployment in process. So we'll just wait for the deployment. So you can see the deployment is succeed, right? So we'll go to resources. So when you click on to this resources, you can see default domain. So already we have created a particular name, right? So that it will be contained inside this default domain. So we'll just copy this one and we'll try to paste it here. Okay, so we'll just wait. If it is not working from here also, you can go to the incognito window and we can paste it there also. Okay, so we'll paste it here and we'll try. But it takes some few minutes. It will take some few minutes. We'll wait for that. Okay, now you can see a default web hosting has been done. So this is how you create a default web hosting. And if you're having any code to publish, means with the help of that code also, you can easily host a websites and everything. Okay, so if you like our channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And more information, please contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.